BYBIT, trade profitably, how to trade on BYBIT, futures trading. These are what we actually teach on this particular channel. So pay detailed attention. I'm about to show you a host of things that can make you profitable in the long term trading BYBIT futures, right? Now, one of the interesting things that you would want to notice or you would want to adhere to is that direction is more important than speed. If you do not know the direction of the market, it's actually a very big problem. It's a big, huge problem. So how do you know the direction of the market? This is one thing that a lot of traders out there struggle with, because you have to look at market structure, you have to look at a host of things, right? So I've made it very simple for you using fundamentals and technicals concurrently, right? So the first thing you want to do is to come over to this website called whalealert.io, join their Telegram channel right here. Just click on join here. And then you're going to see institutional activities in real time. So yesterday, I'm making this video on the 30th of December 2025. Yesterday on the 29th, which was a Monday, we actually saw XLM Monero having to dispose of a very huge chunk of their liquidity. So what that means is basically that we're having a downside in the market already. So you have to be looking for sales only. So to know that, you are going to see the coin here. Look at this, for example. This is BTC, for example, transferred from Coinbase decision to Robinhood. We want to see transferred from unknown wallet to Coinbase. Now, when the whales want to sell, right, what they usually do is that they transfer their assets from wherever they are holding to a centralized exchange to dispose it off, to sell. So look out for when a large chunk is being transferred from an unknown wallet to Coinbase, BYBIT, BitUnix, any of these exchanges, right? That means that they are selling. So I'm going to come here now to XLM. This is XLM Monero. So we saw that they were actually selling. Now, the next thing we want to do is to go over to 4-hour time frame, or we could do this here on the Binance BYBIT app. So we'll go over here to 4-hour time frame. I have everything mapped out already, right? So just come here to 4-hour time frame. What are we seeing? What are we seeing, guys? This is not a bullish move yet. All right, this is not a bullish move yet. Can call this a sweep. Sweep of what? Liquidity. Right? We can call this a sweep. So I'll be looking for my points of interest somewhere around here. If institutions were selling off massively here, it also means that they might want to buy back the market up to this zone and then dispose off again, because currently now they have logged their positions into a sell. So the ideal thing for them to do, since they are actually not trading with stop losses like retail traders, they need to buy back some chunks. They buy back some chunks back to a point of interest that is valid and then sell. So if we look at the lower time frame, for example, this is 15 minutes. Let me make this bigger. Look at the lower time frame, for example. You can see what I'm saying. Look at this lower time frame. So if they initiated a sell, let's say from here, initiated a sell from here, from this point now, right? So our next valid point of interest or internal rate liquidity will be this big fair value gap here. Now, all of this liquidity is looking like it will be rated. All of this liquidity will be rated because they need to balance their book. So now that we already have the idea that they just sold to buy. So after buying, they are coming back here again to what? To sell. So look for a valid point of interest here, and then take your sell position around this zone. Basically, that is all you need to do, right? If you do not want to trade real market structure, you can use these fundamentals to just have an overview of what the market wants to do. All right, so I'm going to go back now. I'm going to go to, I'll go to, let me give another asset. I think Ethereum. Okay, I think Ethereum is doing something nice. Let's see. Okay, good. 4-hour time frame. Let's check. Are we bullish or bearish? This chart looks, it's actually a range. I wouldn't want to trade this type of market, honestly. I wouldn't want to trade this type of market. It's looking like a range. It's not direct, it's not clear. I would not want to trade this kind of range. So, but if we go over to 15 minutes time frame, just purely technicals, we're going to see something very interesting, right? We're going to see something very interesting. It's looking like institutions want to start selling from here. But I would love to see a break of structure down again to this point. Break of structure of this zone before I start selling. That would be my sell confirmation, assuming here was what? A breaker block. Then we'll have our liquidity here. But if I don't get a breakdown from here, I might as well just buy when we flip above this zone, above this institutional wick here. I might as well just do that. So guys, basically this is just how you can actually trade profitably using BYBIT futures trading, or how to trade on BYBIT. This is basically how you can actually achieve that. And in a nutshell, the link is going to be in the description of this video, especially for BYBIT users alone. So if you actually want to get some airdrop worth 1,000 USD on Ninth token, you can use the link in the description of this video. Every detail is going to be there for you. Peace out. Cheers. One love to you guys. Stay good. Stay jiggy. Merry Christmas.